second progress video of my Runkeeper project. It's now called Map Runs. The idea of this project was to put all the runs I've recorded using Runkeeper in a single map, and this is how the final product looks. I managed to solve the memory issue I was having by switching to a more lightweight format called GeoJSON, and then I added some visualization options such as transparency. I think it helps when you look at areas that I run often. And then I also included the type of activity when you hover on, in case that you do stuff that is not necessarily running. If you zoom out enough, you also get to see a little world map. So if you have runs in different parts in the world, that's also very useful. And finally, this is all fully automated using continuous integration. So as when I get new runs, the only thing I have to do is to upload those runs to a GitHub repository, and then there's Travis CI who will create the map for me, so I don't have to be running code or anything. So that's the final product, and if anyone is interested, I'm providing the links in the description for anyone to create their own world map of runs. That's it.